Ours has been mostly rainfall, and we may get more. We're expecting more. In fact, look what the National Weather Service is projecting, an additional 1 to 3 inches in some areas with maybe some isolated 5-inch totals. The flash flood watch extended through 7 o'clock in the morning. Let's start on Viper radar. The activity out there right now is very widely scattered, but we are seeing some precipitation right here in the metro area this afternoon, right at rush hour, probably slowing things down just a little bit, but I bet not too many people are complaining. You can see the little batch of showers there moving north of Pflugerville now up toward Highway 79 in Round Rock out toward the Hutto area. And this little cluster down here in Hays County between Wimberley and San Marcos, a little bit of lightning in that, 21 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes in the last 10 minutes. So some thunderstorms embedded in this cluster of rain that'll be moving due north across Hays County and hopefully back up here into the Austin area before too long. Boy, how long has it been since water ponded in somebody's front yard like this? This is out in the Council Creek area. Now that's in northwestern Burnett County, and you will understand in just a moment why that happened, because as I show you rainfall totals, it's this kind of rain that'll pond water in your yard. Half a foot. We saw rainfall totals 6 inches plus 6 to 6.5 inches, mainly in a relatively compact area from right around Burnett up to North Lake Buchanan up into southeast San Saba County, 4 or 5 inch totals. It's in that area that by far the heaviest rain fell. About close to 3 inches in Lampasas, 2.5, 2 inches or so down across Llano County. Then you got down into Gillespie County. There was only 2/3 of an inch. In the metro area, the heaviest rain in the western parts of our area, including Lakeway with 2 inches plus. Bertram, Florence, Cedar Park. Quinlan Park is on the upper end of Lake Austin. Down toward town on Lake Austin, only about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. And look at there. From Buda into eastern Travis County, 1/3 of an inch. Aren't we a little envious of those folks out in the Burnett area? To the east, too, some places only a 1/2 inch or less, but then a few locations did better, like Rosanke and down toward Lockhart at about an inch. Officially in Austin, we only received 4/10 at Camp Mabry and 1/4 of an inch out at ABIA. And where did it come from? This upper level low. Look at that spinning there over the Texas Panhandle. These lows being this far south this time of year are very unusual, but where it came from is even more unusual. Remember last week we showed you that low over the Ohio Valley and told you the computer models were backing it to the southwest due to the weak steering currents across the U.S.? Well, that's what's happened. Here's the low today. Here's where we're expecting it to be Wednesday, then out here on Friday. Now, it'll be so far away from us and weakening by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday that our rain chances are going to trend down, but we can hope that the low being in this position and drawing in more tropical moisture will continue to give us periods of showers and thunder showers here in our local area. Our computer model develops a little more overnight by 5 in the morning. There's 10 in the morning. We're showing some rain. There's tomorrow afternoon, showers and thunderstorms in or near the area on a scattered basis. Then by Wednesday morning, we begin to dry things out again, but may see a little more coming up our way Thursday. Temperatures, 70s out there right now across most of the area because of the rain. You talk about highly unusual in July. This is highly unusual on a July afternoon. Quick check of the currents. Winds out there are light. Showed you those temperatures in the 70s. There's a look at your mold count today. Let's get to that forecast for you. A lot to talk about. Tonight, temperatures won't drop a whole lot into the low 70s. Rain still possible, and then rain still possible again tomorrow. What are the possibilities? Well, your rain chances, we're going to put it at 60% for any given area tomorrow. Trending down to 40% on Wednesday, down to 30% on Thursday. And notice as the rain chances go down, the temperatures go up. We're expecting to be back to normal by the weekend. So enjoy it while it lasts.